Hello guys, my name is Abhinav and you're watching Techno Saroha YouTube channel. So guys, have you ever wondered how the top marketing agencies handle so many clients effortlessly? And many of the digital marketing agencies are able to grow their social profiles with ease, and many of the freelancers have so many clients and they easily manage their social media accounts without using so much tools and all of these, because they follow one simple trick, that is they use a single tool through which they can manage all of these accounts of various clients. And doing this, they save their time, they save their resources, and they create the professionalism in their work. So in this video I'm going to tell you one tool using which you can do a lot of things, like you can analyze the market, you can analyze your social media post, you can schedule your post, and you can do so lot of things. If you are posting something on your Instagram, on your YouTube, on Facebook page, on Pinterest, on LinkedIn, so on so many platforms, then you need one simple tool through which you can do all of your work from that single place. So let me take you to that tool, but before that please subscribe to my channel. This is my channel. Here I upload videos about digital marketing, YouTube and blogging, so please support me and subscribe this channel. So guys, let me take you to the tool. The name of the tool is Radar. So here it is, radar.io, RADAR, Radar, and here the website. So I will take you through the website, so please keep watching the video and I will tell you how this tool can help you in building your brand, in building your digital marketing agency, or we can say in building your freelancing career. Because suppose you have 5 clients and you have to post different content on different social media profiles, so you need to log in on so many profiles because you have so many clients. So you have to use like Instagram, you have to use YouTube, you have to use LinkedIn, but this will create so much of pressure in you, and this will take a lot of time. So using this tool, that is Radar, it's a social media platform tool, social media tool which can manage all of the accounts on one single place. You can chat with your teammates, you can track their work, you can analyze the market reports, you can sort the URLs using this tool. There are so many things you can do with this tool. So I will show you I will show you the features one by one, so please keep watching, because at the end of the video you will be able to decide whether to use this or not. But I am very sure that you're gonna love this tool, so please keep watching. So first of all I will click on the feature button, and here are some of the features you can see, like workspace. You can create a workspace. Suppose you have 3 companies, you have 3 clients, and you have to segregate their work. So what you can do is you can create a workspace for one company, and then other, and then other. So you can create a different workspace for different companies, and inside that you can do a lot of things. I will tell you here. So you can schedule your post. I think you are getting the idea what you can do with this. Like if you want to post the content at the night, and you are not able to do it manually, so what you can do is you can schedule the post, and it will be posted automatically on the specific time you want. And the third feature is social inbox. Like you can build a close relation with your audience with for the faster response times, or like you can auto response them. And the fourth feature is social monitoring. You can track the industry terms and competitors. See, there are a lot of competitors in the industry, so using this tool you can have a track on that. You can track them, what they are doing, what best you can do to overcome them. So this is the feature of Radar tool, that is a social media management tool which you can use for growing your freelancing career, digital marketing agencies. Fifth one is analytics. You can analyze all of the work done by you and the teammates. Collaboration, then task manager. You can have a notepad, or we can say like you can decide what work you want to do in the complete day, in the whole day. So you can manage all of your tasks here. Password vault, you can save all of the passwords of the accounts of different companies or clients. So you can save them here, because it's not easy to remember all of the passwords, so you can save using the password vault. And the last but not the least is URL shortener. And inside these features also, inside these features, there are a lot, there are so many features which you can use. So let me click on the workspace. So here it is. See, you can go to the website and have a look over the website, and you will able to get the idea what workspace mean, and what is the main feature of scheduler, and what is the main feature of social inbox. So you have to invest some time and you can use this tool. I'm pretty sure that this is going to help you a lot. You can also have a free demo account for the first 7 days. So just go to the pricing section, and in the pricing section you can check the different plans according to your needs. So here is the free plan. Using the free plan you can add 3 social media profiles, and you can 30 post you can, and then third one is URL shortener. You will get this, you will able to short the URL of post, and 1 team member you can add here, and 2-month data retention, and you also will get the task manager. So according to the needs you can pick your plan here. So you can start your free 7-day trial if you pick medium and professional account here. So yearly you can get a 20% discount. So what you can do is, if you want to buy it for 1 year, you will get 20% discount instantly. So go to the website radar.io. It's a social media tool which can unify all of your tasks at one single place. You can see the images, you can see free tools here also, you can use the resources. So you just need to invest some time, and here are the free tools like scheduler, holiday calendar, news builder, newsletter builder, and QR code generator. See, this is one of the best thing you are getting here, because I have also uploaded a video on social media management tools. I will tell you, see, social media management tools, and I will write here Technosarova, and here is the video, 20 powerful social media tools. But in this video I have shared 20 different tools, and it's not easy to remember all of the websites. So what you can do is, you can use radar.io, in which you will get all the features of these 20 social media tool, and this will save a lot of time, this will save a lot of money, because you are investing money in different tools. So what you can do is just pick this and make it easy for yourself. So I have shown, I think, everything, and you can also choose the language from here, and you can just sign in, or you can sign up. So I will click on the sign up option, because I have already signed up here. So I will click on the sign in option, and for showing you how it works, I have just signed in using my Gmail ID, or you can also sign in using the email. So what you can do is, you can switch to all version. Here there is the option, and I have also added one account, that is YouTube account here. So what you can do is just click on the scheduler, and here you can create the workspaces. So there are so many options, like, see, this is the workspace I have created, and here you can see the reports or the whole overview. So click on the overview section, and here are the workspaces. Here you will get the analytics. So if you click on the analytics, but it will say that it's a paid version, so you can also go to the free version. Create your first board. So I will click here, and name is like YouTube, and I have added a new board here, so that I can analyze the reports, I can analyze the performance of my work, of my task. So just go back, and I think internet is not working right now. See, so you can log in using this, and I have shown so many things. So here's the SSL checker. See, if you here's the background tool remover. There are a lot of things you can do in this. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty good. I have just seen the features, and I'm also going to use this. So here's the remove background tool, and here's the SSL checker. Like, if you are a blogger and you want to check if your website has SSL inbuilt or not, so you can use this tool also. So here's the background remover. Just remove now, and here's the, you have to choose the file, and then you can enter the email address, and they will send you the background removing tool, background removed image. So you can also use the free tools, and I have also shown some everything in this video. So just use the tool radar.io, and you will be blessed because you will say thank you to me for this. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and if you like this, so please support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel, and like this video, comment down your queries. I will be very happy to solve them, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and use radar.io. It's a pretty good social media management tool for the digital marketers, freelancers, and digital marketing companies, brands, professionals, entrepreneurs, everyone, for everyone. So just use this. Thank you so much.